Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to HTML list. So those who don't know, let me tell you that for list we have two options, right? Either we can create unordered list or we can create ordered list. So prior to this session, we have already covered all possible scenarios, almost all possible scenarios for unordered list, where we discuss like how to create unordered list, what are the advantage of using unordered list, what are important syntax that we are supposed to follow, right? As well as we discuss different type of unordered list. So these are the all things that we have already covered, right? From this session we are going to start the discussion related to ordered list, which is again a very important topic, because in project mostly we use, although both types of list are used, but mostly ordered list are used, because if you are creating some list, then for sure there should be some sequence that we can see through the data. Okay, so I hope we are okay with both the things that we are going to, like, the thing that we have already discussed in the previous session. And here I would like to recommend you one thing, like if you have not watched the previously published session, then I recommend you to please go and check out those sessions first, because for this playlist each and every session are in proper sequence. So if you follow the sequence, if you follow the session sequentially, then it will give you a proper clarity of ongoing topic. Okay, because for now we are just focusing on the main part, which is ordered list. All right, so let's start with the topic. Now we will start with the definition, basic definition. What is ordered list? So whenever you want to show the data in ordered form, in a sequential form, then in that case you can create a list which is known as ordered list. If I give you a short difference between ordered and unordered list is, then it is, in ordered list we have proper sequence, everything is associated with some numbers, some characters. Okay, but it will give you the clarity like what is ordered list, right? But if we talk about unordered list, there is no sequence, it comes with a bullet points, different type of bullet point, but not the sequence. Okay, so this is just a basic difference between them, but later also we will, like, once we are good with all concepts of ordered list, then we will see the difference. Okay, fine. Now for this demo purpose, I have already created this program with a basic HTML code. So you can see we have just noted down the basic thing here, and you can read out that only the heading tag we have added here. So h1 tag is HTML by texture. Now we can simply save this code and refresh your browser, so it will give you this output, which is HTML by texture. All right, so now what we are going to do, we are going to create our first ordered list. Okay, so to create the first ordered list, let's firstly add some heading here. So heading I will put like this: ordered list in HTML. Okay, so let's give this topic ordered list in HTML. Now if I save it, refresh it, it will come like this. Fine, so let's create the ordered list. And to create the order list, we should know about few tags like li, because if you know about li, then there is nothing much difference in ordered and unordered, because for ordered list we used to use the tag ul, right? But for ordered list we will use ol, which is ordered list. Okay, so let me copy the thing here, which is ol. So I'm just writing it ol, which is ordered list, and then you can hit enter. So this is the ordered list which we have created. Now we can put li here. So let's put li. Li means list item. Ol means ordered list. Now in list item, we will mention some products. For example, laptop. Okay. So I just mentioned here laptop. Then again, I'll add new point, which is mobile. After that, we will put another li with a printer. Then again li, which is for camera. Okay, and the next one is, if I put li again, it would come like this, for example, headphones. Okay, so whenever I am like, I always recommend, like, whenever you are creating a list or maybe the table, then please make sure that you are trying the you are trying the concept with multiple data. Why? Because it will give you the clear picture like how we are using it, and when you are using multiple data, it will give proper visualization as well, and it will help you for sure. It will help you because sometime what happen, like we try with one two data, right? But it will not give you the proper visualization. But when you try with multiple data, then it will for sure give you the proper clarity of the topic. So let's save the this list and go to the web browser. Once I press F5 or maybe the refresh control R, so it will show me this output after the refresh. In output, what we are getting 5 records with proper sequencing. So you can see here we have laptop, which is first item, then mobile, then printer, camera, and headphones. So this is the advantage of ordered list. We have not mentioned anything specifically here for sequencing. Like you can see the data, we have not provided 1 2 3 4 5, right? But it automatically fetch the information and it provide you the list which is 1 2 3 4 5 associated with each item of your list. Okay, and the sequence is totally depend on the list item. For example, if I move the li from here to here, accordingly it will change the data. So you can see I have not refreshed it yet. So once I refresh it, mobile is on the top and laptop is at the bottom, because the sequence is totally dependent on the list item. Okay, so it always prefer first come first serve kind of thing, right? So if your laptop is written on the first li, it will be given the priority. If your mobile is given on the top, it will be given the priority. Okay, so by looking at the data itself, like we can easily figure it out, like what is ordered list and what is unordered list. Sometime in interview questions as well, when we provide like 2 3 tables, 2 3 list with different outputs, so in that case you should know what type of list we are using. Okay, so if it is provided with numbers, we can say yes, it is a ordered list. But if it is not provided with numbers, then you can simply say it is unordered list. Okay, so this is the one way through which we can identify which one is the ordered and which one is the unordered. Order could be anything. There might be possibility that we will come up some letters, we will come up with the Roman numbers and other things, right? But if you are using ordered list, for sure there should be some order, right? In case of unordered list, there is no pattern. There is no pattern. Okay, we will just come up with some bullet point, because unordered list is coming with a bullet points. Okay, so this is the only difference that you can figure it out by looking at the data. So if I let me copy this and let me show you the difference in a short way, because we will discuss in detailed way as well, when we uh, complete the ordered list part. But let me show you a quick difference so that those who know about the unordered list, they can figure it out, like yes, this is the difference. So you can see these are the difference between ordered list and unordered list. In case of ordered list, everything is coming in a proper sequence, 1 2 3 4 5. In case of unordered list, everything is coming with a bullet point. Now we have that option to change the bullet point to some other thing, right? But again, it would not be ordered or sequenced. But if we talk about the ordered, it is coming with all 5. There are other ways like how we can change the sequence, like if any specific thing we want to mention, that we will see in the upcoming part. But for now, for time being, we just discussed how to use ordered list. Again, I'm saying there are many benefit of using ordered list. Like whenever you can assume a scenario like we are creating some e-commerce website, and there we are supposed to create the list, but that list should show in a sequential manner. For example, if we are talking about the Flipkart, there are some list of items they want to show, but instead of showing them with a bullet point, we wanted to show them with some numbers. So for that reason, what we will do, we will use the this type of list, which is ordered list. Okay, so by using this ordered list, we can easily frame the data in a sequential manner in a list format. So I think now it is clear, and please make sure that whenever you want to try the list or implement the list, always come up with at least 5 to 4 data. Why I'm saying that, because only adding those data you will figure it out, like yes, this is how it is working. Okay, so it is always better to practice with more data, especially in case of list and tables. So when you in case of table, like what we saw that, right, we have covered every topic related to table. So there we discuss and everything. Every time we've created 3 to 5 rows, right? So that is the reason. Again, we are using the same approach for learning the list as well. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture.